Welcome to our channel, friends. This channel provides educational videos and so many stories in English and vocabulary. You can improve your vocabulary building. So many things are. This channel is very useful to you, and you can also educate your family members and relations and your friends by referring this video and sharing. Okay, this we today we will bring a series of banking. We in the previous videos we will talk about the types of accounts in the bank in detailly, and types of loans in bank. I'll give the link on the I button and the description as well. You please go to the video, and you can betterly understand what is bank and what those it deals with. Okay, so for more videos, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Please subscribe. Okay, let's today we discuss today's sections. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Word lying, meaning in English, put in bracket something down gently or carefully. Meaning in Kannada, ಹಾಕುವುದು. Next, repo, another term for repurchase agreement. Repo. Next, sole, not sole, it is soul, the undersurface of a person's foot, or one and only. ಅಂಗಾಲು, ಅಡಿ, ತಳ. Next, underprivileged, in bracket, of a person not enjoying the same standards of living or right as the majority of people in a society. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸವಲತ್ತಿನ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳಿಲ್ಲದ. Next word, shareholders, an owner of shares in company. ಷೇರುದಾರರು. Next word, stakes, a sum of money or something else of value gambled on the outcome of a risky game or venture. ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನು. Next word, eminent, in bracket, of a person famous and respected within a particular sphere. ಉತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟ, ಉನ್ನತ. Next, masses, a large body of matter with no definite shape, or a large number of people or objects crowded together. ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರು. Next, encompasses, surrounded and have or hold within. ಒಳಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತವೆ. Next word, craftsman, a worker skilled in a particular craft. ಕುಶಲಕರ್ಮಿಗಳು. Next word, mandates, an official order of commission to do something. ಆದೇಶಗಳು. These words are useful to understand what is the concept of we are going to discuss in the section. Okay, if you know these words, you can, if you know these vocabularies, you can betterly understand what's the today's topic is and how can the banks deal with this. Okay, let's do not delay it. Let's we go through the section. Okay, types of bank in India. we we discuss in detail about the types of bank in India. Okay, today's section it is banks in India are categorized into central bank, commercial bank, specialized, and cooperative bank. First we go through central bank. Central bank. First point, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is the central bank of the country. Next point, it acts as the apex body for monitoring and regulating other banks and financial institutions. Next point, it also acts as a banker to the government. Next point, RBI plays a key role in laying down the statutory liquidity ratio, cash reserves ratio, reserves repo rate, and repo rate. Next bank is next type of bank is a commercial bank. First point of the commercial bank is it performs the functions for the general public with respect to accepting deposits and or extending loans. Next point, such bank use the loan as investment with the aim to earn profits. Next point, some of the commercial banks in the country are HDFC, State Bank of India, United Bank of India, etc. Next type of bank is specialized bank. First point, the banks are formed with the sole purpose of catering to a particular industry or sector. Second point, they may focus on import and export or providing financial service to specific sectors of the country. Next point, the EXIM bank is the best example of a specialized bank. Next type of bank is cooperative bank. First point, these banks are established under the State Cooperative Societies Act. Next point, they provide easy credit to the members of the cooperative banks. Next point, one of the best activities of the cooperative bank is to provide financial resources to the underprivileged population. Next point, New India Cooperative Bank Limited, Ahmedabad Mercantile Cooperative Bank, etc. are the examples of the cooperative banks in India. Next, we go to the in detail about commercial banks in India. Okay. The commercial banks in India are further classified into the following. First one is public sector bank. First point of this bank is commercial banks in which the government holds majority of the share in the bank, bracket more than 50%, are the public sector banks. Next, private sector bank. First point of this bank is commercial bank in which individual shareholders possesses higher equity stakes are called private sector banks. Next point, the functions and activities of these banks are similar to that of public sector banks. Next point, a few aspects like the change imposed and duration and description of the services of a private sector bank is different from that of public sector banks. Next point, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, etc. are the most eminent private sector banks in India. Next bank is Small Finance Bank. First point, these banks aim to provide financial inclusion to the underprivileged masses in the country. Next point, such banks also encompasses small and micro businesses units, various entities in the unorganized sector, marginal craftsmen and small farmers, etc. Next point, Janalakshmi Small Finance Bank, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, etc. Next, last type of bank in commercial sector is regional rural banks. First point of this is these banks have quite specific mandates like providing loans to small farmers and marginal workers, agricultural laborers, small entrepreneurs, craftsmen, etc. Such Next point, such banks are set up following the recommendations of the Narasimham Committee on Rural Credit. Next point, some of the regional rural banks in India are Pragati Krishna Gramin Bank, Kerala Gramin Bank, and so on. This is all about types of banks in India. Okay, thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and share. Please subscribe and share, and who can you share, and who can you want to educate them, you can share with them, and please subscribe our channel. Okay, that's all. We will bring more videos on banking sector as well as other institutions in a detail. Okay, we will discuss in the later sections. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks.